Welcome, ancient healers, and here is your daily dose of barn owl magic. The wise barn owl is coming into your life right now. The positive energy of the barn owl, the wise teacher, listening to your intuition comes up when we think about the barn owl. And the barn owl is a protector and helps us transition in our lives, different projects or journeys. The barn owl is here to help us during uncertain times and to help us find our inner voice and listen to our inner spirit and our higher self, and to follow your intuition. And you're the wise healer within. And the barn owl is helps us see that there's light at the end of the tunnel, and that everything that we are experiencing, all the challenges in our life, are happening for us to grow and for our soul to expand and to share that light and healing and love with others just by being yourself. Thank you so much. Yes, barn owl magic. Yes, peace. The barn owl is in our lives right now to guide us to listen to our inner self and our higher self and our intuition, and remind us that we are wise and there's so much wisdom within. All your answers are inside of you, and just listening to yourself, following your joy, following the synchronicities in your life that are miracles. You're a miracle. And the barn owl is here to assist, guide us through any uncertain times, and just have a good time. Thank you so much.